Let's get an overview of the application and take a look at its basic usage from the front page. On the top left, you will find the content of your clipboard, which is the content you will send to the AI. On the top right, you will find buttons called quick prompts. With these, you can quickly change the content of your clipboard. For example, if you click French, it will translate the text in your clipboard to French. But there are also quick prompts like summarize, which will, as the name says, summarize a text or email in your clipboard. The buttons automatically adapt to your clipboard, so if you copy a picture, the quick prompts will adapt. And if you have an audio file in your clipboard, the buttons will change too. Here you can see the primary prompt bar, where you can further instruct the AI. All configured LLMs that can process text will appear in this list. The more models you have configured, the more options you will have to switch between here in the prompt bar. Let's use the prompt bar and send a text to the Anthropic Claude AI model for processing. Here, we do not use the AI paste button. Instead, we click Execute to process the prompt and display the result in a pop-up window. The next button sends the result directly to the clipboard, allowing you to paste it into any application and process it there. The following button copies the text to the clipboard and automatically pastes the result into the last active window. Last but not least, the AI paste button pastes the result into the last active window without storing it in the clipboard. Let's test it using the Clipboard Only button, which copies the result to the clipboard without pasting it into any application. As you can see, the result is stored in the clipboard and is visible in the clipboard preview. Most of the time, you'll work with actions, but this one button deserves a quick word. It lets you bring together two pieces of text, what you type and what's on your clipboard, and decide how they come together. Which one is the instruction? Which one is the text to be processed? And in what order they're handed to the AI. Combine is pre-configured. Your input field goes first as the instruction, followed by the clipboard text to be processed. But you're always free to switch. It's your call. Every time. Let's make a more precise example. Enter an instruction in the input field along with the text you want to process. The result will be displayed only in the pop-up result window because we are using the dedicated button for result window output. You will have 5 seconds or more, depending on your configuration, to read the result. The result can also be copied directly by clicking on it. Alternatively, you can use the arrow icon to send the result to a chat window for further processing. This allows you to continue refining, editing, or working with the generated text as needed. In case you don't want to type your instruction, you can also use the microphone for speech-to-text transcription. Here, we simply want to translate the French text stored in the clipboard into Hindi. And don't forget, we're not limited to translations. You can enter any prompt you want and process it with any AI model you have configured. As you can see, the prompt bar is a perfect one-stop solution for one-time processing. It is quick, always available, and requires no loading time. It is simply there when you need it. We have noticed that many of our customers use the prompt bar with Perplexity for quick AI-powered searches. After the search is completed, the result is displayed in the pop-up window. You can also send the result from Perplexity directly to a chat window for further processing. In addition, you can switch to a different AI model at any time while working in the chat window. This allows you to continue processing a result generated by Perplexity with any other AI model you have configured. By the way, the chat window is automatically cleared after each application restart or PC reboot. This is done for security reasons, to ensure that no sensitive data is stored by the application. Another fantastic feature, available even in the forever free version, is the prompt library. It gives you instant access to your favorite prompts, instructions, and reusable text snippets. With a global hotkey, you can open the standalone prompt bar from any application and use your prompts anywhere with just a single keystroke. And don't forget to use the Help button whenever you need assistance. From there, you can access the setup guide again, get explanations about the user interface, and explore our popular history feature. The history feature allows you to quickly copy previously generated text, reprocess earlier results, or paste the last result again using a shortcut. This is especially useful if you missed the opportunity to paste a result, or if you need to retrieve text that was generated earlier while the application was running. Simply open the history view and click on any entry to copy it instantly. Next, let's take a look at the fully customizable Actions tab. From here, you can execute any configured action directly from the GUI, including its assigned settings and prompts. This is especially useful if you have forgotten a hotkey, as all actions and their assigned shortcuts are visible here. You can also reorder actions at any time, allowing your most frequently used actions to stay at the top for quick access. Whether you prefer using hotkeys or triggering actions directly from the interface, the choice is entirely yours. To paste an AI-generated result into another application, simply click into the target field and press AI Paste. Our application moves to the background and pastes the result into the last focused window. Many experienced users work primarily with action hotkeys instead of the application buttons, but that's entirely up to you. Hotkeys can speed up your workflow and become second nature over time. This was the basic workflow using the UI. Next, create your own AI actions, assign hotkeys, and explore the powerful customization options available. Simply select or copy text in your favorite application, press the assigned hotkey, and let the magic happen. No extra copy and paste steps, no waiting, just instant processing directly inside your application. For example, you can correct emails directly in your mail client with a single hotkey press. You can also take advantage of the high-quality, local, and cloud-based transcription options. Stop typing large amounts of context and start transcribing, working at AI speed. If you are missing a feature for your workflow, please let us know.